God, today you have to listen to me, oh. I beg. Today you have to listen to my prayers. You see, somebody learned how to repair car. Somebody too have learned how to do carpentry. This is my job, Father. I've made plenty. I've made plenty coffee. Past 6 months now, nobody have bought one for me. Father, my prayer is that this month, let people come from the west, let people die from the west, let people die from the north,
hey, Daddy.
from the east.
For people to die.
People come and buy the coffee and I will get plenty money to pay my daughter's school fees. Father, this is my prayer. This is my prayer. That is the work I learned, oh. That is the work I learned. I beg you, God, let people die so that I will get plenty money and take care of my families. Amen. It's not easy. Darling.
Daddy, my stomach.
Oh, Emmanuel, my daughter. Oh, Emmanuel. My daughter. Oh, my daughter. Oh, Emmanuel, my daughter. What is it? Emmanuel. Oh,
What happened to her?
it's not my fault. I was praying that people should die so that they come and buy the coffins and
How
sell
can you
it.
play that kind of play in this house? How can you play that?